If your focus mode keeps turning on automatically and you want to stop it, this video will show you exactly how to disable automatic focus mode on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Then tap Focus. Next, select the focus mode that's activating automatically, such as Do Not Disturb, Work, Personal, Sleep, or a custom focus. Scroll down to the Set a Schedule section. If you already have a schedule set up, tap it and either turn off the schedule or tap Delete Schedule to remove it completely. If Smart Activation is enabled, tap Smart Activation and switch the toggle off. This prevents your iPhone from automatically turning on that focus mode based on your location, time, or usage patterns. If the focus mode is still activating automatically, go back to the main focus settings page and check whether Share Across Devices is enabled. If you don't want focus mode syncing from your other Apple devices, simply turn this option off. Once you've completed these steps, your selected focus mode will only turn on when you enable it manually. And that's it. You've successfully turned off automatic focus mode on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.